Hey, how are you guys doing?
Good.
Well, basically I was explaining that sometimes, well, I'm not referring to you guys necessarily, but a lot of people from abroad, they don't necessarily always speak the language. We got ourselves a really, really cool bit of water. I'll take a little sip. Where are you guys from?
Kuwait.
Kuwait. Okay, Kuwait.
Another one, and we'll try landing it on your face.
Usually takes a second. I'll just put it down. السلام عليكم شباب.
سلام.
شلونكم؟ شخباركم؟ والله ما ادري ايش سويت انا. والله شربت مي شوي هذه عجيبه. ولا تتكلم كويتي شلون؟ تتكلم انجليزي؟ والله شو السالفه؟ السيارات عجيبه. هلا بالكويت. هلا. انا واحد مشكله. كلكم بلا. شلونكم بعد؟